Well, the dog named Rock, who's an 8.5-year-old veteran in dock diving, he can keep up with the small dogs. He can keep up with the big dogs. In fact, the Rock is quite a showman on the dock. Let's meet him.
The breeders named him Rock because Rock was running around the yard and picking up rocks and holding it in his mouth. Rock loved the water, so being that I know he loved to swim and jump, I knew this would be a sport for him. There was an event close by my house, and I said, hey, let me go try it. And that was it. We got hooked. Great exercise for the dog. My dog would not be in this condition, a muscular condition and shape that he's in. You need to get your dog out. You need to exercise your dog. He's 8 years old, and if you look at him, you would never know that he's 8 years old. So it's not, only fun and you meet people. It's just healthy for the dogs as well.